Here is the uncomfortable truth about being fit after 40. It's not about grinding harder. It's not about endless discipline. It's about facing few uncomfortable realities that most guys don't want to admit. And today I will give you 3 of them. When I was in the 20s, I could smash a workout, have McDonald's and still be in a good shape. At 50, that doesn't work anymore. Every burger, every glass of wine, every cake, it shows up faster and stays around for longer. Life is busy, sleep is precious, and recovery is harder. The truth is, you cannot outtrain a bad diet anymore. That doesn't mean like living a monk. It means eating well most of the time and keeping it consistent. Basically, training is not an excuse for a shit diet. At this age, something always hurts. Right now, it's my back. Before that, it was my shoulder. Before that, it was my arm. Before that, it was my hernia surgery. If you are over 40, you know what I'm talking about. The reality is, you rarely get to train completely pain-free. But there is a good news. Pain doesn't mean you have to stop training completely. It means you need to train smarter. Warm up properly, swap to exercises that don't cause you pain. Drop the ego weights and change the rep range. Most of all, don't push through the pain. Work around it, because consistency keeps you strong, not lifts that wreck you for months. This is the one nobody likes to hear. Maintenance is often progress. When you are 20, progress often means adding 10 kilos to the bar every few weeks. When you are 40, 50 or beyond, progress often means just holding the line, assuming you are in a good shape already. Staying lean, keeping your strength week after week, year after year. That's not a failure, it's a win. While most men your age are going backwards, you are holding steady. And that is the uncomfortable truth. Maintenance is often progress. So here is the deal. You cannot outtrain bad food. Something always hurts, but you can train smart anyway. And holding steady, maintaining, is often the progress. Well, that's how I see it. What about you? What hit you the hardest after 40?